Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop on the application of Reddit. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Reddit and you will click here. In this page of app, on 4 you will click on Forcestop and you will click here OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. As you see in this page, you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all the